found a good use for my mask. That way you can't see my plate. Anyway, this is the FZ10. I actually got the custom exhaust on it, and tons of other stuff that I've done, and figured I'd give you a quick listen on it. Cold start. It's kind of a interesting hybrid on the exhaust, the stock front with the ceramic coating. It's got a Leo vents center section, so that's got the resonator in it, and I set it up with an R1 EXUP valve, so that's fully functional. Stock can. Kind of interesting, not too loud. Sounds pretty healthy, and obviously with the FTecu tune with the autotune, thing runs great. It's got the K&N on it too, so see how this thing sounds. This bike originally came with the highlighter wheels. Original owner evidently changed them out to the black ones. I added the red accent. Of course, there's tons of other mods, so. I did was the R6 Throttle 2. That's actually the quicker ratio, but I did a progressive actuation for the throttle body. I run it at standard width, so it's a slightly off idle. You get a softer hit, but once you get it probably around the 50% of switch mode, you get quite a rapid opening. So this thing really will wake you up once you hit that to the throttle. But it gives you about an 80 degree switch. I got heated grips for my birthday too, so I got to get those on. It's actually about 55 degrees today, so it's quite reasonable temperature-wise. Got to take it out, keep the tires round.